Hi, this is Dave with DavesTR4A. Thanks for coming back to my channel. The reason I wanted to put this video out was after looking over the past series of videos that I did on updating my wiper motor from a TR4A to a TR6. As you can see in typical fashion, this has blossomed into starting with one project and then seeing something shiny and go, oh hey, I'll still do that too while we're here, and oh, let's go do this other thing while we're here. So I apologize for the thing blossoming out as it did, but I think it's worthwhile to try to make improvements in your car if you are planning on using it for recreation in the sense of driving the thing. And I have no problem with going to car shows and everything, and you know, I certainly don't want to make people uncomfortable with like somebody saying, "You got this nice car, why are you adding all this other crap to it and making it non-original?" And my answer to that is, well, just I enjoy driving my car and I want it to be reliable so I can get it back home in one piece without going on a roll-on trailer or whatever to get the thing back home. So anyway, I'm going to try to separate the videos or the tasks here for wiring up the wiper motor, and the second one will be doing something with a Advanced Autowire harness hazard option to where I can relocate relays to turn the thing on and off instead of a switch, and also the windshield washer, which I think is really a nice upgrade. You don't have to do it the way I did it as far as the switch goes. Actually, the kit that I bought comes with a little push button switch that you can mount somewhere under the dash to I think it even comes with a little bracket to mount the switch, so you could put that down somewhere, you know, anywhere underneath the dash. So, and it's a very nice upgrade. So anyway, enough for me rambling. I just wanted to kind of touch base with you guys and let you know that I'm still working on getting the thing wrapped up. We have a spirited drive scheduled for March 15th, and today is I think it's the 21st. So I want to get it done before that so I can go on that drive. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I should be posting videos on the electrical portions of this upgrade shortly.
That's it for now. Please like and subscribe.